Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you in the kitchen with another wonderful weight loss drink. Well, I'm going to show you something. I've used it once before in another format on my channel, and I'm presenting it to you today. Now, in this drink, you can lose up to 15 pounds, which is 7 kilograms, in only 7 days. Yes, that seems a bit extreme, but with proper clean eating, along with exercise, you can achieve that much weight. Now, I'm going to do this for 7 days and really see if it really is going to give me that turnaround weight that I'm hoping for, because like I said, your girl is back on a weight loss journey, and this is my problematic area, my pooch. So I have my waist trainer belt on to help me during the days with my posture, also with extracting even more liquids from my body, because when your belly area is banded, it's going to make you feel the urge to go. So you will be using the bathroom more during the day when you are bound, when you are banding your stomach. So that's why I have my waist trainer belt on, because I'm trying to lose a lot of the weight in this area. Everything else is okay. Well, let me show you this wonderful weight loss drink that you drink in the morning, and along with eating healthy, drinking healthy, and exercise, you can lose 15 pounds in 7 days. So let's start the video right now. Okay, you guys, so in this drink, we're going to be using some wonderful ginger root, some fresh ginger root. But if you don't have ginger root, you can always use ginger powder, okay? But I really recommend fresh ginger root because of the water content in the root, and you get more strong, potent flavor and benefit from the fresh root itself. Also going to be working with some fresh aloe vera leaf. Now, as a substitute, if you don't have the fresh aloe vera leaf, you can always use as a substitute the Lily of the Desert aloe vera gel, and it's a dietary supplement, and it's from the whole leaf. Now, it's filtered, and it's supposed to be kept in the refrigerator, but you can always use this as well. And some fresh lemons and our honey. Okay, now today I'm going to be using my NutriBullet blender, my personal size one. You can also find this in my Amazon affiliate links down below. So what we're going to do now is to cut 4 ounces of aloe vera leaf. Here are some facts about how aloe vera helps us to lose weight. It detoxifies the body. It's full of antioxidants that prevent the formation of free radicals inside the body. It makes sure our system is toxin-free, and when our body is clean, the weight loss process speeds up on its own. It also acts as a natural laxative, and if you consume it daily, it can help in better digestion. It can make the large intestines work properly, which can cure constipation. It also manages hunger. Aloe vera lowers the blood glucose levels inside the body, which restricts the buildup of fats by slowing down the sugar absorption rate. It can also make you feel fuller for a longer time and manages your hunger much easier. Aloe vera juice can naturally boost your metabolism, which can help you lose weight faster. It also cures ulcer and acidic reflux. It is also recommended that you drink 2 to 4 ounces of aloe vera daily. So we have a nice size amount of aloe vera gel. Next, we're going to cut about 1 inch of our ginger root, and that's all we need. going to do is I'm going to squeeze a half a lemon in my blender. And next we're just going to add in a cup of water.
Know that I will be around to guide you through your weakest moments, to leave them behind you.
Nice and frothy. Okay, add that to your cup. And next we're just going to add a teaspoon of honey. And you mix that in well until your honey is well mixed in your drink. And then you can pop your straw in, which you can find these wonderful metal straws in Amazon affiliate links. Okay, wonderful reusable straws. And there you have it. Now you drink this for 7 days and eat healthy meals. So there you have it, you guys, this awesome drink that you drink for 7 days. And like I said, you eat healthy meals and do some exercise. This promises that you will lose 15 pounds of that fat, okay? So I'm gonna get back to you in a few days. So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also check down below in the Amazon affiliate links for products like the NutriBullet blenders, the personal and the full-size blender, and those metal straws. Also check out my eBay store for awesome items like the Flat and Firm Belly Detox, the Living Bitters tonics, the Immunity Booster tonic that has elderberry and echinacea, things that's going to help to boost your body up and get it ready for this winter season. Okay, check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, beauty care, and family videos. All right, so until the next time, you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Hey family, this is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful announcement. If you haven't heard about it yet and haven't tried it yet, well, I want to bring to you something that is going to help you on your weight loss journey. This is a powerful tonic that's going to help to flatten your stomach. It's going to get rid of that excess waste in your colon, so this way you can get rid of that excess weight. This is something that's going to help to lower your cholesterol levels, your blood sugar levels, as well as your blood pressure. For those of you who haven't been able to get rid of that weight and burn fat because of low metabolism, this is something that's going to boost your metabolism, give you that extra energy that you need to burn that weight. This is also going to cleanse your blood because it's a detox. It's going to get rid of those harmful toxins in your body that's keeping you sluggish from getting rid of that weight. So check out the Flat and Firm Belly Detox. This has been flying off the shelf like crazy. This is my popular detox tonic that's been working for so many. So if you're trying to lose weight, get those inches off, as well as lower your blood pressure, lower your cholesterol, lower your blood sugar, and boost your metabolism, give you extra energy, and suppress your appetite, well, check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox. This is powerful, this is organic, and it's also safe for those of you who are on blood pressure medication as well as being diabetic. So check out the Firm and Flat Belly Detox, you guys. You will not be disappointed. It works. This is going to get rid of those extra inches off your waist because you're cleansing your colon and getting those wasteful toxins out of your body. So like I said, check down below in the description bar where you will find the link to my eBay store for this powerful Firm and Flat Belly Detox. So get your health journey back on track. Check out the links down below.